Good morning, dear students. Let us begin our mathematics class. Today, we are continuing with speed, distance, and time. Question number 4, exercise 13.2. Determine the time taken when distance equals to 1276 km and speed equals to 33 km per hour. What we have to find is time. Let us see the solution. Speed is equal to distance upon time. This is the main formula. And we have to find out time. So, we will derive the formula for time. That is, time equals to distance upon speed. See here, distance is given 1276. Speed is given 33 km per hour. So, 176 km is divided by 33 km per hour. That comes to around 116 divided by 3 hour, which is equal to 38.66 hours. I can show you the calculation. See, this is 1276 kilometer divided by 33 kilometer per hour. This becomes 1276 kilometer divided by 33 kilometer. This hour goes on top into hour. This kilometer gets cancelled. 11 threes are 11 ones are 6 are. So this comes to 116 by 3 hour, and that is equal to 38.66 hour. Rest you can do on your own. Now come to question number 6. A man is running at a speed of 12 km per hour. How much distance will he cover in 15 minutes? See, again conversion is here. Here it is 15 minutes. Here it is kilometer per hour. So we'll convert this 15 minutes into hour. And what we have to find out is how much distance. We have to find out the distance. Now let us see the solution. Speed is equal to 12 km per hour and time is 15 minutes. We'll convert this 15 minute into hours. Now let us see how. Do you remember? 15 minutes. We have to convert into hours. So we know that 15 by 60 straight away. 15 ones are 15, 15 fours are 60. So 1 by 4 hour. This is the conversion of 15 minutes. Now this is 1 by 4. Now speed is equal to distance upon time. We know the main formula, and distance is equal to speed into time, the derived formula. Now speed is 12 km per hour into 1 by 4 hour. That comes to be 3 km. Now let us see how it has come. See, 12 km is the speed per hour. What is time? 1 by 4 hour. See, this hour get cancelled. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So what is left is 3 kilometers. So this is the distance. Man covers a distance of 3 km. Question number 7. A distance between Bangaluru and Chennai is 480 km. A train leaves Bangaluru at 9 p.m. and reaches Chennai on the following morning at 5 a.m. The total distance between the two stations for stoppage is 2 hours. Find the average speed and the speed of the train. Now what we have to find out is two things. Average speed and the speed of train. Now let us see the solution. What is given? Distance between Bangaluru and Chennai 480 km. Time is given 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. next morning. So we'll calculate the time from here. You know how? 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. So what happens? 9 p.m. to 12 night. and from 12:09 to 5 a.m. So we'll subtract 9 from 12, that becomes 3 hours, plus 12 to 5 is 5 hours, so 5. So that is 8 hours. So total of 8 hours. Journey took 8 hours to reach from Bangalore to Chennai. So this is how we have calculated the time. Now total time taken including stoppage is 8 hours. Now time taken for stoppage 2 hours. So we can subtract this 2 for without stoppage. So time taken without stoppage, what it would be? 8 minus 2 hours, that comes to be 6 hours. Now let us find out the average speed. Formula for average speed is total distance divided by time with stoppage, that is including stoppage. We know that total distance is 480 km and the time we calculated with stoppage was 8 hours. So we'll divide this 480 km by 8 hours. 480 kilometers by 8 hours. So that is 8 6 are 48, 10, that comes to kilometer per hour. So this is average speed. Got it? Now we have to calculate the normal speed. We know the formula, total distance divided by time without stoppage. We have calculated the time without stoppage by subtracting 2 hours of stoppage from the total time taken, that was 6 hours. So 480 km divided by 6 hours, and what we get is now the speed, means 480 kilometers divided by 6 hours. 6 8s are 48, 0 kilometer per hour. So this is speed, 80 kilometer per hour. So this is speed. Average speed was 60 kilometer per hour and speed is 80 kilometer per hour. So you can see the difference, 60 and 80. Why it is? This 60 is because of the inclusion of stoppage also. But here in 80 the stoppage is subtracted. So average speed is 60 km per hour and speed is 80 km per hour. Now come to question number 8. If Aditya travels to school from his home at a speed of 3 km per hour, then he reaches school 5 minutes late. At the speed of 4 km per hour, he reaches school 5 minutes early. Find the distance between his school and home. So we have to find the distance. Now let us see the solution of the question. Let distance be x between home and school, x kilometer. Time taken to reach school, t hour. All these are assumed numbers. Okay. Now first case, there are two cases, 3 km per hour and 4 km per hour. So let us see the first case. Speed is equal to 3 km per hour and time taken, he reaches 5 minutes late, means time plus 5, then he will be on time. So now t plus 5 minutes. We are converting this 5 minutes into hour by dividing with 60. What we get is t plus 1 by 12 hour. I'll show you how. T is the time plus, because he is reaching 5 minutes late, so 5 minutes more he wants to be on time. So 5 ones are 5, 5 12s are 60. So what time is t plus 1 by 12 hours. And what is the distance? We have taken x, speed into time. So we'll calculate. Speed is 3 km per hour and time is t plus 1 by 12 hour. Now let us see the calculation. That is 3 km per hour, that is speed, multiplied to t plus 1 by 12 hours. So this hours get cancelled. 3 into t is 3t kilometers. Then plus 3 ones are 3 by 12. So this what we get after calculation. Means x is equal to 3t plus 1 by 12 kilometer. Now second case, speed is equal to 4 kilometer per hour and Aditya reaches 5 minutes early. So what we are doing, we are subtracting this 5 minutes from the time t. Again, we are converting 5 minutes into hour by dividing with 60. So the time becomes t minus 1 by 12 hours. Now we know distance x is equal to speed into time. This time what we are taking 4 km per hour into t into 1 by 12. That becomes 4 into t minus 1 by 12. Now we'll equate the first case equation and the second case equation. That is 3t plus 1 by 12 equals to 4t plus 1 by 12. Now we'll equate these equations. Now you calculate 3t plus 3 by 12 equals to 4t plus 4 by 12. How are we getting? 3 multiplied by t, 3t. 3 multiplied by 1, 3 divided by 12. 4 multiplied by t, 4t. 4 multiplied by 1, 4 by 12. Plus 4 by 12. This is minus actually. Now 3 by 12. This minus comes here, becomes plus 4 by 12. 40. This 3t goes on the other side, becomes minus 3t. So this is 3 plus 4, 7 by 12. 40 minus 3t is t. So we got the value of t. Now let us see how we are going to put the value of t there. It is 3t plus 1 by 12. So in place of t we are writing 3 into 7 by 12 plus 1 by 12. That becomes 3 into 8 by 12. 4 2s are, 4 3s are, 3 3s are. So what is left is 2 kilometers. So the distance between home and school is 2 kilometers. So this is all about exercise 13.2. Thank you children. Have a great day.